And now we're at my house. The power of editing, you know. Alright, so let's open this pack that I got from that awesome Pokemon card vending machine. That's my first time seeing one of those. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Alright. Basic lightning energy. Louis Confi. Sentry. Cuffant. Bombry. A place. Marowak. Lily's Pearl. Magmar. Togedemaru. Dang. And a regular hollow Butterfree. Well, struck out on that one. But like and subscribe if you want me to open more Pokemon packs. Peace!